15th June, Hamster Kombat daily Cipher Morse code. This is the code dash dot dash dot.
How to download the Tron wallet. So first, you go to the Play Store. And you search for the Tron Keeper app. As you can see, I already have it downloaded. So if you don't have it downloaded, just download it. And when you are done downloading, you open it. Okay, so this is it. When you open it, this is what comes. You see create new wallet, import existing wallet. You use the import existing wallet when you already have an account, but right now we don't have a new account, so we click on create new wallet. You just choose any passcode. So I'm going to type my passcode,
just any random one.
Okay, so this is it. Here we have our surface, and that's